Have you ever found yourself frustrated because someone owes you money but never pays you back? Welcome to Wisdom Logic, your source for insightful perspectives and practical wisdom. It's a common and exasperating experience, leaving you feeling powerless and taken advantage of. But what if there was a unique method to help solve this problem, one that blends ancient wisdom with modern intentions? Today, we're diving into an intriguing ritual that not only aims to help you get paid immediately, but also aligns beautifully with Buddhist teachings on intention and mindfulness. By harnessing the power of focused thought and symbolic actions, you can create a powerful energy shift to attract what is rightfully yours. So, if you're ready to explore this fascinating practice and bring about positive change in your financial life, keep watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content. This could be the mindful and magical solution you've been searching for. Using rituals to influence energy is a practice found in many cultures throughout history. These rituals are based on the idea that specific actions, combined with focused intention, can channel our energy and bring about desired outcomes. While this may sound mystical, it actually aligns closely with Buddhist principles. In Buddhism, intention and mindfulness are key elements that shape our reality. By setting a clear intention and maintaining a mindful state, we can influence our experiences and interactions in powerful ways. This isn't about casting spells or invoking supernatural forces. It's about harnessing the natural energy that flows through us and the universe. Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of intention, sadhana, in shaping our actions and their outcomes. When we perform a ritual with a clear, positive intention, we align our actions with these principles, enhancing their potential effectiveness. Today, we'll explore a fascinating ritual involving a yellow paper, a green candle, and a citrine crystal. Each element is chosen for its symbolic significance and ability to focus our intentions. By integrating these rituals with Buddhist mindfulness practices, we can create a powerful synergy that helps resolve unpaid debts and attract positive financial energy into our lives. Buddhism offers profound insights into the nature of reality and the workings of the mind. At the core of Buddhist teachings is the concept of intention, sadhana, which plays a pivotal role in shaping our experiences. According to Buddhism, our intentions, our thoughts, words and actions have profound consequences, influencing not only our own well-being but also the world around us. Mindfulness, another fundamental aspect of Buddhism, involves being fully present and aware in each moment. By cultivating mindfulness, we develop a deep understanding of our own minds and the world around us. This heightened awareness allows us to respond to situations with clarity and compassion, rather than reacting impulsively. When we apply these teachings to the practice of rituals, we discover a powerful synergy between intention and action. Performing a ritual with mindfulness and intention aligns our actions with our deepest values and aspirations. It becomes a form of meditation in action, a tangible expression of our innermost desires and aspirations. In the context of unpaid debts, Buddhist teachings offer valuable insights into the importance of approaching the situation with compassion and understanding. Rather than harbouring resentment or anger towards those who owe us money, we can cultivate a sense of equanimity and patience. By focusing on our own intentions and actions, we can create positive energy that transcends the limitations of individual transactions. In the following sections, we'll explore how specific rituals, inspired by Buddhist principles, can help us navigate the complexities of unpaid debts and financial challenges. These rituals offer practical tools for transforming our relationship with money and cultivating a sense of abundance and prosperity in our lives. Asterisk. Ritual explanation: the yellow paper asterisk. The yellow paper ritual is a simple yet potent practice that harnesses the power of intention and symbolism to manifest positive outcomes. To begin, you'll need a small slip of yellow paper and a pen. On this paper, write the full name of the person who owes you money, along with the exact amount owed down to the penny. The colour yellow holds significance in many cultures as a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and abundance. By using yellow paper for this ritual, we align ourselves with these positive vibrations and set the stage for financial blessings to flow into our lives. Once you've written the debtor's name and the amount owed, take a moment to focus your attention on the paper. Close your eyes and visualize the debt being repaid in full, feeling a sense of gratitude and abundance wash over you. This step is crucial as it infuses. After you've imbued the paper with your intention, fold it carefully and place it in your left shoe, positioning it under the heel. This act is symbolic, representing your determination to step into a new financial reality where debts are settled and abundance reigns supreme. As you go about your day with the paper nestled in your shoe, you'll carry with you a sense of empowerment and confidence that the debt will be repaid. Remember to maintain a positive mindset and trust in the process, knowing that the universe is conspiring to bring you the resources you need. Asterisk. Enhancing the ritual. The green candle asterisk. The green candle ritual is a beautiful way to amplify the power of your intentions and attract abundance into your life. To perform this ritual, you'll need a green candle, a lighter or matches, and a quiet space where you can focus without distractions. Start by lighting the green candle and placing it on a flat surface in front of you. Take a few deep breaths to center yourself and quiet your mind. As you gaze at the flickering flame, visualize the debtor reaching out to you to repay the debt in full. Allow yourself to feel the emotions of gratitude and abundance as if the debt has already been settled. Visualize the money flowing effortlessly into your life, bringing with it a sense of security and financial freedom. While you continue to visualize, repeat affirmations or mantras that resonate with you, such as, "I am open to receiving abundance," or "money flows to me easily and effortlessly." Allow these words to sink deep into your subconscious mind, reinforcing your intention and aligning your energy with the frequency of wealth and prosperity. As you perform this ritual, keep your focus on the positive outcome you desire and trust that the universe is working in your favor to bring it to fruition. When you feel ready, extinguish the candle and carry the energy of abundance with you throughout your day. By incorporating the green candle ritual into your practice, you are tapping into the ancient wisdom of candle magic and harnessing the power of intention to manifest your desires. With dedication and belief, you can create a life of abundance and financial prosperity. Asterisk, citrine crystal ritual. Asterisk. The citrine crystal ritual is a powerful practice for attracting wealth, abundance, and prosperity into your life. Citrine is known as the merchant's stone for its association with financial success and prosperity. To perform this ritual, you'll need a raw citrine crystal, a quiet space, and a few moments of focused intention. Begin by holding the citrine crystal in your hands and taking several deep breaths to center yourself. Feel the weight of the crystal in your palms and allow its energy to connect with your own. Close your eyes and visualize warm golden rays emanating from the crystal and surrounding you with abundance. As you hold the crystal, envision each person who owes you money coming forward to settle their debts, their faces filled with sincerity and gratitude. Imagine them handing you the money owed, feeling the weight of each coin or bill in your hands. While you visualize, repeat affirmations or mantras that resonate with you, such as, "I attract abundance effortlessly," or "My financial blessings are on their way." Allow these words to sink deep into your subconscious mind, reinforcing your intention to receive what is rightfully yours. Place the citrine crystal on top of a list of debtors and the amounts owed, allowing its energy to infuse the list with abundance. Leave the crystal on the list for as long as feels right, trusting that its energy will continue to work on your behalf even after the ritual is complete. By incorporating the citrine crystal ritual into your practice, you are aligning yourself with the energy of abundance and opening yourself up to receive the financial blessings you deserve. Asterisk, asterisk. Combining rituals with Buddhist practices, asterisk, asterisk. Integrating these rituals with Buddhist practices enhances their effectiveness and aligns them with deeper spiritual principles. By incorporating mindfulness and intention into each ritual, we cultivate a state of presence and clarity that amplifies their power. Just as Buddhist teachings emphasize the importance of intention and mindfulness in shaping our reality, these rituals serve as tangible expressions of our deepest aspirations. Through consistent practice and a steadfast belief in the process, we create a harmonious synergy between our inner and outer worlds, allowing abundance to flow effortlessly into our lives. By blending the wisdom of ancient rituals with the timeless teachings of Buddhism, we embark on a transformative journey towards financial freedom and spiritual growth. We've explored 3 powerful rituals inspired by ancient wisdom and aligned with Buddhist principles to help you navigate the complexities of unpaid debts and financial challenges. From the yellow paper ritual to the green candle visualization and the citrine crystal practice, each ritual offers a unique approach to manifesting abundance and prosperity in your life. By incorporating these rituals into your daily routine with mindfulness and intention, you can create a powerful energetic shift that attracts positive financial outcomes. Remember to approach each ritual with an open heart and a sense of trust in the process, knowing that the universe supports those who act with clear intention and aligned action. So, as you embark on this journey towards financial empowerment, may these rituals serve as powerful tools for transformation, guiding you towards a life of abundance, prosperity, and spiritual fulfillment.